Who is our friend? Author Jade Mathieson. Illustrator Gerhard Van Wyk. Can you guess who our best friend is? He's not like us at all. Our best friend is Bird. I am Rhino. I get covered in fleas. Bird eats them all up. I am Crocodile. I can't brush my teeth. Bird pecks them all clean. I am Giraffe. I can't scratch my head. Bird can reach just the right spot. I am Zebra. I can't see things far away. Bird has great eyes. So when he's watching, I am safe. Bird might be different, but that's no problem. We don't even mind when he sings. Will you be my friend?
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.